Hey, what's up, boys?
What's up, Goose? What's cracking, bro?
Hey, bro, aloha, man. What's up? I had a long day today, bro.
What you talking about?
Man, I had to sneak up in the house, hide in the closet, everything. But it was worth that Polynesian loving, though.
That Polynesian love? Hey, I got something for you.
Alright, man, let me tell you my story, though. Check it. Big girl, cute smile. Samoan pride up and down the thigh, straight model style. A quick fix to this poly mix. Kanaka trait, throwing up the poly loving. Cause the brotherhood just had to do it. We pull no prejudice, a fish up the sea is alright with me. As long as Polynesian is all I see. I'ma kick back and think, work on my rhyme about this fine Polynesian lifestyle. I only mom popolako. But hey, man, it's all good. Enjoy every second. And never gonna rip about what those nahu po thing. And healing my ko kakamahine. And let's get away. Cause I love the way you trip and your style feels it. Ili po that reach up on my heli. Praise not cool for what the heck created.
Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. To my poly girls all around the world, from Australia to New Zealand, they just got me dreaming. Never got me thinking about leaving. Ain't gonna lie, got me loving those tattooed thighs, up and down your sides. Beautiful brown skin, can't forget those beautiful brown eyes. Hop on the jet, let me fly all the way to the 808 side, where beautiful Hawaiians looking so fine. Flower in your hair, full of hips, luscious lips, and that sexy stare. Beautiful scenery and your island style only gets better with the side of your smile. I look into your eyes and see the sunrise. It's you and me, baby, living in paradise. This is where I want to spend the rest of my life, with no one else but you by my side. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. P-O-L to the Y. Polynesian loving, you got me hypnotized. Straight up tan while walking on the sand. Long brunette with the Polynesian tat. Swinging them hips, you got a uso like whoa. Jamming this cut like music to the soul. Gazing at me with those fine brown eyes. Analyze, idolize, trying to emphasize. Usos be asking, yo, Sole, who's that? The finest lady walking on his motherland. Holding it down for my Polynesian singers. Keeping it real on the land of the hula. Waikiki up to the North Shores. A lot of wahinas in numbers galore. Nothing but love for the South Pacific. Posting it up, ika aina o Hawaii, poly love. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving. Polynesian loving.